It's baby's first day at eating. What do you all think? Treble, get over here. Come here, girl. You're all being awfully polite. Don't kiss the dish. Dive on in. Good puppy. Good baby. Treble, you're missing dinner. Get in there, little girl. What do you think? You got little toothlings. Your mother's not real crazy about feeding you anymore. Good babies. I can't believe this. You're all being so good. Yes. Well, the two blue girls are still in the food dish. Come on. Come on. The little black boy, now he likes dinner. Get in there. Get in there. What are you all doing? Tastes just like Mommy's milk, huh? Get in there. There you go. Isn't that good stuff? Yeah. You all are incredible for never eating before. Yeah. That's because you're smart babies, huh? Say, my mama didn't make a dumb baby. No. Say, we're beautiful and we're smart. Yeah. Gosh. Some of your aunts and uncles have just like laid in the food dish and tried to soak it up. You're all actually eating. Must have been ready, huh? Yeah. Good babies. Okay. So, on the right is a blue girl. Then there's the trout boy. Next to the trout boy is a blue girl. And then to the left is the only blue boy. So, that's everybody for everybody watching and listening. I guess I'll turn this thing off. No excitement here. They're hungry.